Today, we're diving into the GTS17GSNRSS 28-inch top freezer refrigerator, a stainless steel marvel that promises to revolutionize your kitchen space. With dimensions of 32.63 inches in depth, 28 inches in width, and standing tall at 64.75 inches, this appliance is not only spacious but also sleekly designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Boasting a generous capacity of 16.63 cubic feet, this fridge offers ample storage for all your culinary needs. One standout feature of the GTS17GSNRSS is its LED lighting, providing bright and efficient illumination throughout the interior, ensuring that every item stored is easily visible. The upfront temperature controls offer convenient access to adjusting the temperature settings without having to reach deep into the refrigerator. Moreover, the freezer-on-top configuration allows for easy access to frozen goods, while the adjustable glass shelves provide flexibility in organizing items of various sizes. Although it's worth noting that this model is not ENERGY STAR certified, its efficient design still ensures reasonable energy consumption. Additionally, the countertop installation type offers versatility in placement options, catering to different kitchen layouts and preferences. In conclusion, the GTS17GSNRSS 28-inch top freezer refrigerator impresses with its spacious capacity, convenient features like adjustable shelves and upfront temperature controls, and elegant stainless steel design. While lacking ENERGY STAR certification, its overall performance and functionality make it a reliable choice for any household looking to upgrade their kitchen appliances. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.